This is Beth Giacomo, Patchogue Arts Council Executive Director. On behalf of PAC Mocha Long Island, I'm excited to invite you to join us for the presentation of a special collaboration with artist Han Qin. Part 1 will begin with a screening of My New Land, a cinema-style digital art and sound installation, which will be projected on the Patchogue Lighthouse. Part 2 will include a series of poetry readings via FM 90.1 WUSB radio station. Artist Han Qin collaborated with the community of Long Island to portray the layers of diasporic identity shaped by the immigration experience. This outdoor public art projection highlights immigrants using large-scale portraits digitally projected onto the Patchogue Lighthouse and features sound by musician Margret Schedel. Schedel created the soundtrack based on the interviews of community leaders.
This project spotlights the unsung heroes, whose portrait will appear on the lighthouse. They are Yanping, Michael Jing, Lucie Kwon, Clark Cotes, Frank Sprouse-Guzman. This project started with my wish that arts can call for self-awareness, identity growth, especially for immigrants and first-generation kids. Let the community members vote for their own unsung heroes who deserves artistic recognition. My hope is to foster empowerment and inclusivity. Portraits are created by high-resolution 3D scanning with poetic color and textures inspired by their new identity. As you will see in the video and hear the sound, the portraits shows the selected community leaders' new established identity, their wishes and thoughts on this new land.
Crying out loud, who am I? Sky, my father, earth, my mom. For what was I born? Twilight descends at the incision of heaven and earth. Who am I?
Family history. Of 9 sisters, she was the only one who held on to her land. Her great-granddaughter lives there still and remembers her silhouette, hooked nose and cascading hair, barbed like the ancient branches of her olive tree.
A child of refugees, poet from a country of 2 millions, who paused at every word, as if to translate herself or slip across a border, crouching when the water tower's beam sweeps past.
My color is hot pink because it could bring out the warmth and energy.
My color is orange. It's bright, it's enlightenment, but it's never calm or boring.
For me, it's white.
Gana, mi color favorito es el rosa. Me encanta mucho ese color porque es un color que significa vida para mí.
El verde es la naturaleza, es